What if an interstellar object whirling through our solar system is actually a nuclear-powered spacecraft sent by aliens to test how humans respond?
When NASA turned its telescopes toward 3I Atlas, they expected ice and dust. Instead, they found something that shouldn't exist. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending discoveries of 2025. And trust me, what NASA's James Webb Space Telescope just revealed about the mysterious object called 3I Atlas is going to blow your mind. The mysterious arrival. It's 1st of July, 2025, and astronomers at NASA's Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile are doing their regular scan of the night sky. Suddenly, their computers start beeping with alerts. They've spotted something that shouldn't exist. At least not according to everything we thought we knew about our cosmic visitors. Meet 3I Atlas. Officially designated C25N1. The 3I stands for Third Interstellar. So indeed, we are very lucky that we discovered this object because it is such a rare event, only third ever in our history to be detected. Because this is only the third confirmed visitor from beyond our solar system that we've ever detected. The first was the famous cigar-shaped Oumuamua back in 2017. A cigar-shaped object named Oumuamua was the first known interstellar object from outside our solar system in 2017, which left scientists scratching their heads. The second was Comet 2I Boris in 2019. But 3I Atlas, this one is rewriting the playbook entirely. Here's where things get absolutely fascinating. Most interstellar objects zip through our solar system so fast that we barely get a chance to study them before they vanish forever into the cosmic void. But 3I Atlas is different. It's giving us an unprecedented opportunity to study an alien world up close. And what we're finding is both incredible and deeply unsettling. When astronomers first calculated its trajectory, they realized something extraordinary. This wasn't just any space rock that had wandered in from the cold depths between stars. 3I Atlas was following a hyperbolic path. Meaning it's definitely not from around here. It came from somewhere else entirely. Another star system, another world carrying secrets from places we can only dream of visiting. When NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope turned its incredible infrared eyes toward 3I Atlas, scientists expected to see something familiar. After all, comets are basically dirty snowballs, right? Water ice mixed with rock and dust. Maybe some simple organic compounds. That's Comet Science 101. But what Webb found made astronomers do a double take. Instead of the water-dominated atmosphere they expected, 3I Atlas was surrounded by something completely different. The comet's coma, that glowing cloud of gas and dust that surrounds the nucleus, was absolutely dominated by carbon dioxide in an almost unbelievable amount. Here's the jaw-dropping part. The ratio of carbon dioxide to water in 3I Atlas is about 8:1. That means for every molecule of water vapor, there are 8 molecules of carbon dioxide. To put this in perspective, this is one of the highest CO2 to water ratios ever observed in any comet anywhere. Most comets from our solar system have ratios that are completely flipped. They're mostly water with just traces of other gases. Dr. Sarah Johnson from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center described the discovery as like expecting to find a snowball and instead discovering a block of dry ice. The implications of this discovery are staggering, and they are forcing scientists to reconsider some fundamental assumptions about how comets form and what conditions existed in other star systems billions of years ago. But carbon dioxide wasn't the only surprise. Webb's near-infrared spectrograph also detected water ice, carbon monoxide, and something called carbonyl sulfide, a compound that's incredibly rare in comets from our own solar system. It's like 3I Atlas is carrying a chemical fingerprint from an alien world. And that fingerprint is telling us a story we never expected to hear. The ancient time capsule. What makes 3I Atlas even more mind-blowing is its age. Scientists believe this cosmic visitor could be older than our entire solar system. Think about that for a moment. While Earth was still a twinkle in a nebula's eye, 3I Atlas was already formed, already wandering through the galaxy, carrying with it the chemical secrets of its birthplace. This is literally a time capsule from the dawn of the galaxy. The chemical composition that's got scientists so excited could represent conditions that existed in stellar nurseries billions of years before our sun even began to form. We're essentially looking at a fossil from the galaxy's youth. And it's telling us that the universe might be far more diverse and complex than we ever imagined. But here's where things get really spooky. The high carbon dioxide content suggests that 3.2 Atlas formed in an environment that was dramatically different from the region where our solar system was born. But then something weird happened as it was moving away from the sun. It was slowing down as you'd expect, but it wasn't slowing down fast enough. Some scientists are speculating that it could have originated near a different type of star. Maybe a carbon-rich giant, or even in the outer regions of a stellar system where conditions were far more exotic than anything in our cosmic neighborhood. What's keeping astronomers awake at night is the possibility that 3I Atlas represents something we've never encountered before. Evidence of planetary formation processes that are completely alien to us. If there are entire classes of comets out there with chemistry that is different from our own, what does that say about the potential for life in those systems? What kind of worlds could form from such exotic building blocks? The fact that we're seeing carbonyl sulfide, a compound that's extremely rare in our solar system, is particularly intriguing. On Earth, this chemical is associated with certain biological processes. Now, nobody's saying that 3.2 Atlas contains life, but the presence of such unusual compounds is raising questions about what kinds of chemical processes might have been happening in its birthplace billions of years ago. The early activity puzzle. Scientists are baffled by 3I Atlas because it began showing comet-like activity much farther from the sun than expected. NASA's TESS satellite revealed that the object was already outgassing at a distance of 6.4 astronomical units around Jupiter's orbit when most comets usually wake up only inside Mars' orbit. This unusual behavior suggests that the comet's ices are either made of highly volatile materials or that some unknown process is driving the outgassing, defying current scientific understanding. The early activity of 3I Atlas raises unsettling questions about its past. If it is so sensitive to radiation, was it slowly losing mass during its long interstellar journey as it encountered light from distant stars? Could it have shed a significant portion of its original material before even reaching us? Even more intriguing is the idea that this object may contain exotic ices that never form in our solar system. Materials that can only exist in the ultra-cold depths of interstellar space. If true, we may be witnessing chemistry that Earth-based laboratories have never been able to reproduce. Adding to the mystery, the James Webb Space Telescope detected a strange asymmetrical pattern in the comet's outgassing. Instead of producing a symmetrical coma, 3I Atlas is venting gases preferentially toward the sun, giving it a lopsided shape. This unusual activity suggests that its internal structure might be fundamentally different from the comets we're familiar with, further highlighting how alien this visitor truly is. To make the situation even more dramatic, 3I Atlas is currently on a hyperbolic trajectory through the solar system. It will swing around the sun in early 2026, releasing even more material under intense solar radiation before disappearing forever into interstellar space. Its closest pass to Earth will still be a safe 170 million miles away. But this fleeting visit is our only chance to study it. This object has traveled through the galaxy for millions, perhaps billions of years, passing unknown star systems and cosmic events, only to cross paths with us by pure chance. Whether coincidence or something deeper, its brief arrival is a rare reminder of the mysteries still lurking in the cosmos. The formation theory revolution. The discovery of 3I Atlas is rewriting long-held assumptions about how planetary systems form. For decades, astronomers believed our solar system offered a reliable model. Rocky planets close to the star, gas giants farther out, and water-rich comets delivering the essential ingredients for life. But the strange chemical signature of 3I Atlas, particularly its extreme richness in carbon dioxide, suggests it was born in a carbon-dominated disk, a type of stellar nursery, very different from the one that shaped our solar system. This finding challenges the idea that our planetary formation template is universal. What unsettles scientists most is the possibility that comets like 3I Atlas might be common in other star systems. Since comets play a crucial role in seeding young planets with water and organics, alien worlds receiving entirely different chemical payloads could develop in ways we've never imagined. This could mean atmospheres, oceans, and even life forms built on completely different foundations. Some researchers are even considering whether 3I Atlas hints at alternative biochemistry pathways where life could thrive using carbon dioxide and exotic compounds rather than the water-based chemistry we know on Earth.